crowd family, it's your girl Bran, and I'm back with another prank video. Y'all, I got a spicy little prank idea up my sleeve. Y'all already know when y'all see my face what's going down, y'all. Y'all already know I'm down here getting myself prepared, about to make us some dinner or whatever. Your boy is upstairs asleep. That's why I'm not trying to be too loud, y'all, because if you wake up, he's going to mess up this little banger I got about to be happening on him today, y'all. So while I was down here cooking and whatnot, I came up with this idea. I'm about to act like I am about to sneeze on your boy, all in his face, and I'm gonna make it real nasty, y'all, because I'm about to use an egg or whatever, and I'm about to scramble it, and I'm about to make it look real nasty like snot, and then I'm about to act like I'm sneezing on y'all.
Spit that shit on me.
I'm about to act like I am sneezing snot all in your boy's face. I'm gonna try to get it in your boy's face just because I just want to get his reaction, because you already know your boy is dramatic. I'm dramatic too. Your boy dramatic too. But so y'all know this is about to be a banger. And if y'all agree with me and think this is about to be a banger, like I know this is about to be a banger, y'all might as well like this video for me right now, because y'all know what I like. And if y'all don't know what I like, y'all must be new to this channel. And if y'all is, y'all might as well become a part of the gang, because we love that, y'all. And we giving the cash giveaway at one of the gang members, y'all. So if you want to become a part of that, all you gotta do is subscribe to the channel, ring that bell, spam the comment section, and let us know that you are a part of the gang, so you can be part of that cash giveaway, y'all. But yeah, I'm about to run upstairs and hide the camera before your boy wake up. And yeah, we about to get your boy reaction. Make sure y'all share y'all favorite part. This is about to be a banger, y'all, so tune in on Squad.
Cheer. Zeppelin. Baby, let's get high and break the ceiling. Can I take you on a ride? Listen to your feelings. Put away your pride just for a minute. I just wanna vibe. Let me know if you with it. Baby, let's get high and break the ceiling. Can I take you on a ride?
All right, y'all. I got my slime. My, what do you call this? My snot. I got my snot ready, y'all. So yeah, it's about to be real slimy and just in face today, y'all. So yeah, y'all, I scrambled my egg. I'm about to go ahead and go upstairs and hide the camera.
Bruh. Did you f***ing spit that shit on me? Why are you playing?
Are you okay?
Bruh. What is this?
Oh wait.
Man,
What's on you? I know that didn't come out my nose.
I can't see or hear.
Oh my gosh, are you okay?
I'm telling you, man, I'm about to run away from this motherfucker, man. I'm telling you, you ain't gonna see me. I'm telling you, man.
What happened? How me get you a towel. I don't wanna.
Okay, man, why'd you play with me? What the fuck is
It was an
the B-word?
It was an accident.
What the is
Get
this?
this all. Get it. My cover off the floor.
Is this spit?
Babe, I sneezed.
This spit?
Oh.
Man, you threw up in my mouth. I can't even breathe.
Are you okay?
No.
It's just not.
Can you get me something so I
Here,
can see?
here's a towel. I don't want boogers on my towel
Oh.
though. You're not about to die, babe. It's you
It's
rubbing
on
the
my
snot
nose.
in. Baby, it's gonna be okay.
Get your hands off me.
Oh my God.
What is this?
Babe, I just sneezed on accident.
Ugh.
I think I'm coming down with something.
Bruh. What the fuck?
Oh my gosh.
Ooh, man, ooh, wait.
Get you just put snot on me.
I can't even see.
Babe, are you okay?
No, I can't even hear. My fucking shit is ringing, bruh.
Just go back to sleep.
Where? What the fuck is this? You poured some. Did you piss on me?
No.
Is that piss?
My nose is.
Is that throw
I've
up?
been having a lot of mucus today.
That's throw up.
I didn't throw up. Nothing came out my mouth. That came out my nose.
No, the fuck it does not. All this shit ain't come out your fucking nose, Brandy.
Justin.
Like what?
Oh my gosh.
You threw up on me. That shit
This
looks like it
is
came from the back of your throat.
I didn't hog a Louie on you, Justin.
Oh,
wee. I think I need to go to the hospital. My nose is stuffed
I
up.
can't even fucking see, man. You really just threw up on me, bruh.
I didn't
My
throw
arm
up
fucking
on
sticky,
you.
man. I can't even fucking see, bruh.
I didn't throw up on.
Oh my.
Babe. Why
How
did
could
you?
do that to me?
I didn't do nothing for you.
How could you do this to me?
I didn't. Can you get these boogers up off this damn bed?
How could you do this to me? Like,
Babe, I didn't mean to.
how could you do this, man?
What do you mean how? People have stuff in the inside of their bodies and they need to come out. Babe, go back to sleep.
Nigga can't even take a nap, bruh.
Just go back to sleep.
I'm telling you,
I
man.
got the snot up. Go back to sleep.
I'll run away from this motherfucker, man. You never fucking hear me.
Why would you run away from me? We're
Like,
supposed to
for
be running
real.
away together.
Like, flip this shit, man.
Right.
That shit need to go on your side now. I'm telling you.
Gosh. Okay,
Oh my gosh, man. It's
baby,
right.
I'm sorry. What can I do to make you better or feel better? Like, 'cause
It's starting to shut up. Like, for real.
Hey, why are you talking to me like that? Because
Like,
I
for real.
had.
No,
I
because
had-
my arm is still sticky.
Take
Like,
a
what the fuck is this,
shower.
bro? I'm about to now. I just took a shower.
Why you mad at me? Because
Like,
you gotta
damn.
take a shower.
I just
It
took
was
a-
an accident.
My fucking face don't even feel right, man. I took a shower.
Ugh.
I took a shower and I laid down. Give me some peace and quiet. Niggas been up all morning, ain't doing business, man. Motherfucker, don't touch it. I got it. That's my phone.
Boogers on my
That's
hand.
my phone.
Babe.
Bill collectors calling me and shit. Don't nobody owe y'all money. Nobody have a car warranty with you niggas.
See, babe. You
See
feel
what,
better.
man? See what? That's up, man.
Why? I sneezed.
And then you got
And
it
you
on the
happen
cover.
to be in
got it
a
on the cover?
crossfire. Like,
You got it on the cover. What you mean I happen to be in on crossfire, Brady? Stop playing with me like that.
I was
For
coming
real,
over
man.
here to tap you and tell you like the food is about to be done.
So you probably
and I sneezed.
and you couldn't do like you
I
had to
did.
do hush hush. That's what you had to do.
I went
Brady.
like this, but it went.
You
went
why
in
you
your
lying,
face.
bruh? Shut up. That don't even sound right. If you'd have did like that, it would went right there. Like you spit up, you threw up and did whatever on me, bruh.
I didn't
All on my
spit
face
on
and
you.
shit.
I'm not
That shit
disrespectful.
grimy, bruh. Like for real, you out of pocket with that shit. That's some out of bounds ass shit.
It was an accident.
So what if I come up here and just throw shit all on your face?
On purpose?
Yes, you did that shit on purpose, bro.
It's not.
Man, get out of my face. Don't worry about what the fuck I got on. Shit, you ain't worried about what the hell I had on when you threw up on me.
I didn't throw up on you. I don't know why you keep saying that. Like I just.
Damn, you a nasty broad, boy.
Oh my gosh.
Like, for real, that shit, you got no chill.
Babe, just change your clothes, get in the shower, and get the
Shut up! Damn, I just took a shower. I don't want my skin to get all motherfucking greasy, dried out and shit.
Yes, get you another shirt.
Shut up! Damn, you saying shit that I know, nigga.
Why is you so mad? Like, oh my God. Are you gonna eat with me?
Hell no. I'm about to go eat at Chipotle by myself with the fucking workers.
Why?
Cause nigga, you get on my nerves.
I got to stop up. I promise I won't ever sneeze on you again. Like, you in there, what is you doing? Oh my God, why is
You cleaning some of this shit up, man.
Calm down. You about to break shit in the bathroom. Calm down.
Like, I can't even keep my brush where it's supposed to go, man. You got all them cleaning fucking products and shit, man. I can't even talk, bro.
Exactly. You
like,
sound like dabba do head ass and
man, shut up, man. Now what the fuck is this on my shirt? My clean shirts. Hey, you a fucking cluck, bro.
Okay, babe. I'm sorry.
Hey, you a fucking
I'm
cluck,
sorry.
Bro.
It's not even that serious though.
Like, for real, man.
Like the shit.
I said, we. Now what if I just like ran up to you and spit in your face or something?
Why would you do that?
Like, why you wasn't?
I wasn't being disrespectful.
Like, yes, you did.
Spit is
bro.
not good for my skin.
Weird. Fucking bucket ass.
It wasn't throw up though.
Yes, it was.
Egg is good for your skin, and it was just egg.
Damn, man.
It was just egg.
All over my fucking
It was just egg, and the egg is good for your skin. Oh my gosh. It's not that serious.
Brady, shut up.
It's really not, because it was just egg. It was just egg. Aha! Wakey bakey, eggs and bakey.
Bruh.
Time to wake up. You still amming. Like for what? It was just a prank. Like it was egg. It might grow your facial hairs.
Nigga, my facial hairs grow. Like, nigga, now what you trying to do?
I'm saying. What the fuck? Now you washing your face, babe? It's sticky or something?
Like, nigga, yeah.
You mad at me?
Yeah.
It was a prank. You pranked me yesterday.
It was weed.
Okay, well, got him. It was egg.
I don't fucking eat eggs.
Okay, that don't mean you don't eat the shit that you putting on your face. You don't eat the shit that you putting on your face is good for your skin.
Hey, what?
Did y'all know egg is really good for your skin and hair? So I helped your boy out, period. And y'all, if y'all like this video, make sure y'all like this video for me right now, because I definitely got your boy like I said I was. And your boy woke now. It's time to eat dinner, boo. You had a long enough nap. Hey, y'all, spam that comment section, Team Bran, because Team Bran definitely got your boy just. Share your favorite parts of our Instagrams. All the description is down below for our TikTok, Instagram, Snapchat. Y'all tag us on your Instagram posts and we real. Why is you sleeping in your earrings, then?
Nigga, I'm napping in my earrings, my nigga.
Hey, y'all. Here go a shout out, because you already know. Boom.
Shit.
You already know, gotta get a shout out to my peoples, because you already, Justin Saudi. Hey, y'all, like I said, DM me some prank ideas, because I love getting up under your boy's skin, I ain't gonna lie. He is funny. But when I be going too far, I don't like when your boy mad or like that sometimes. He cute when he mad, but yeah. But yeah, y'all, I'ma tune in with y'all on the next video. I love y'all, and until next time, peace on Squad.
You're gonna be catching me watching TikTok. You feel me? Watching these dirty TikToks that these girls be winding their bodies and stuff like that all over TikTok. This is about to be hilarious.